Hey, people, this is Randy at the Rio in Montego Bay. And we're gonna just take a nice walk through and see how this looks in a nice sunny Jamaica. I have to go. People having fun. So I have an extension pass and it has lunch on it. Does that mean I get to buy lunch or lunch is free? Okay. So I just want to show you, and I don't want to make you think I'm getting your free food.
No, come on, man.
Okay, brother. So lunch is free. Normally I shouldn't eat the meat, you know. Come and bridging them tell me to stop eat the meat. Cause them, I tell them some I try to change the thing, you know. But when I come to Jamaica, I can't resist the thing. The thing look good. So you will ever say, oh, ever do it now. Cabbage help the meat digest. You know that? So give me some cabbage, a little bit of rice, please. I want that cabbage, sir. A sweet potato, give me a little bit of that, please. And some of the jerk chicken. I do this for the people, you know. So, where you from in Jamaica?
This Irishman, where you think?
Manchester.
No, man, come on.
All right, where's it? Don't tell me St. James. Why St. James are the best parts?
No, St. James, I don't know. I have to eat the best food in St. James now. So, what am I saying?
How who cook it? Are you? Are you jerky Chester?
No, we do it inside, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you said these are the best jerk chicken in Jamaica?
Right now, man.
Alright, give me a... Alright, put...
Spicy,
give me the spicy.
Jerk chicken, but...
You bad? You sure of that? Come me just pass a man on the grill, you know. I remember some travel the world and eat food, you know, brother.
Come back and tell me review.
Me I go tell you right now.
If it not taste good, you find the name that. Oh, me left my name that. Robert.
Robert?
Yeah, man.
So you said these are the best jerk chicken?
No, you can't go eat it yourself.
Can't eat it yourself? Okay, okay. I go just taste it. So you said these are the best jerk chicken in Jamaica? Boy, people talk, you know. Why do you know? Tastes like white people jerk chicken. Where am I going to sit down? Where can I sit down? Alright, my brother. I'm going to see.
Yeah.
I'm going to check it. Love. Yes, people. I don't know, you know. See them people. Them say are the best jerk chicken in Jamaica. Everybody talk, you know, people. Me is a man, you know. Everybody talk, you know, brother. So see the swimming pool there. So I have a new camera up on the system, so it's nice and smooth. I don't know the audio sound. But people, I don't know, you know. The jerk chicken it tastes like them not make it too. The best jerk chicken me I work with right now is one from Negrill when I just meet a man and theme thing. Turn up and turn over. Alright. So we're going to sit down here, so. And we're going to say, this is Rio, Jamaica, good life. So, my people, this is Randy. And we're eating. And we're eating and see what this tastes like. Lunch, this is potato Wait to know. No people. I don't know some travel the world. And you guys know that. You guys know that I travel. And you know that this is sweet potato, not sweet enough. And it must have been mass produced with fertilizer. The cabbage also tastes like a fertilizer cabbage. Let me tell you something. Rio? Something I go on. Man, them I cook for now. No. Now here's the thing about the rice and peas now. You see the rice and peas? The rice and peas turn. The rice and peas is very good. The cabbage now have the country cabbage taste. The sweet potato not ready. Now the jerk chicken, pour the sauce from the skin. I'll open it up and throw it on the meat. Now the jerk chicken that tastes like some restaurant jerk chicken. It tastes like a jerk chicken. A jerk chicken non-taste. People, you know some me around the Jamaica good life. And I know some me not play with it. I'm going to tell the world this. The Rio, you might want to call me for hire a wicked jerk man. Because right now, you hear me I say? A jerk chicken that tastes like chicken where you put some And the jerk chicken I make for Jamaicans. A tourist jerk chicken this. But the rice and peas, alright. Now, you guys are gonna see a video I did. And the video I did have a man in there recently. For me personally, it's one of the best jerk chicken I've had. He's been doing it for 30 years. So, a Negril, serious. Pier 1 for me, lobster and fish, Pier 1. At the Rio, I like them orange juice. And breakfast with fruits and honey, very nice. Oxtail is good, but I try to make the fans them healthy. At the Rio, you have a good selection. The good thing about the Rio, you could eat all you want, drink all you want alcohol, right? And I got a special pass today. After I checked out at 11 and paid about $90 for one night, I got a pass. And the pass allowed me to, I talked to the manager, I says, look, I want to stay on property, you know. And he let me stay on property until 3 p.m. and lunch was free. So, remember people, when you pay you one night for $90. I got a pass to stay, and the lunch was free. So that was pretty nice of them. And you could still use the facilities, but drinks are not free. Okay. If you lose your band, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back and tell them, say, me never eat the other chicken leg, you know, brother. Me not gonna lie to you, you know. It tastes like chicken, and not tastes like jerk chicken. You see me? It tastes like chicken. It not tastes like jerk chicken. So, I'm a real report. This is Randy reporting from the Rio. Look on the ugly boy face. This is Randy reporting from the Rio. Come here, camera. This is Randy reporting from the Rio. Hear me I say, Rio, I don't need to open no jerk chicken. Alright? The grill, I say nothing. I'll open. Okay? So, right now, we're going to leave that right there, so. Then we deal with it, because I'm going to get some more lunch. Them said the lunch free. So, you know, me do already. Because we are sufferer. And because we are safe for so long to come a hotel. I save up, you know. To live the good life. Countryman coming to the good life. So now, I go take a look at what, then I go cook for lunch. I go leave that right there, so them can't deal with that. I go report, I'm not even going to say nothing to them. But, no sir. From my master. So, I could go get some lunch. So I'm gonna go get some lunch. The location is very secure, very nice. Not a lot of hustling. People playing chess. So you see, Jamaica, you could have this kind of business where people rent and play. Alright. I'll go chance to the people then. Let me ask you. So I check out already, but I think they say lunch is free, right? Cool, me don't want you to stress me.
Just yet because there's somebody standing here at this way they should stop up. You understand?
Yeah.
You guys are some distance away from the person.
Alright. Yeah, man. Let me just have a little of the curry goat and a little bit of cabbage and a little bit of white rice. That's good. And a little bit of cabbage, please. And what is this? Stew peas?
Yeah.
A little bit of stew peas. And 1 banana. You show me picky?
Yeah.
Let me get 1 piece more to goat. And I'm good. Thank you so much. Alright, people. See it there? Okay.
What cabbage, please? Sure.
Just a lasagna. Thank you. People, you know, some a countryman come a town, come a resort. I have to save a whole year to pay for this. Countryman come a resort. Thank you again. And thank you for not throwing me out, okay? We can get drinks too?
Yes, that's like
Oh, you're going to give me the drinks? What you have? What you say?
Soda.
What you say?
Fruit punch, pineapple, apple, cranberry, and orange.
Alright, let me get some food punch. Two glass, alright? Thank you. You know, it's a countryman come on vacation. See the people. Countryman Randy. Yeah, come on vacation. You know, sir, I have to stay for the whole year to buy the lunch. The farming never did work out too good this year. But at least I can have a vacation, come and sell the cabbage them. And I was able to buy a day pass after I sell the... Yeah, man. I come back, she go get me some fruit punch. She said, yeah, she said she go get it for me. But if you don't see her, just bring it on. 2 glass, see her there. Country Randy come a resort. But Koya. But them treat me good enough. One thing I like about the Rio, you know what I love about? You know what I love about this place? This the staff. I love you guys. More than the jerk chicken. I love the service. I love how you do the thing. So I'm gonna tell the world. So I wanna make the place nice. And not even so much the food or the beach, but I wanna do it. Yeah, man. And the people will serve the customers them and the performers. So basically what I like about the Rio are the people who serve the Jamaicans who work here. I have to go now. I have to give my Jamaican people enough props. One thing they could improve is charging station or secure charging. They could have like safes near the beach. But you see these people who serve, they're the ones that make this place nice. Now let's check out the food. Remember saying, it's a countryman that come. Boy, Me have to live some of the good life too. The banana are nice. I'm gonna check out the curry goat now. You see the curry goat? Alright, Rio. Hold on, the curry goat not soft enough. Too much work to eat the curry goat. No, sir. Alright, the curry goat and the jerk chicken. Rio, talk to your chef. I don't want to get nobody in trouble, but Rio. So this is what I have to say. What I have to say is this. This looks like it tastes like tourist food. It does taste like tourist food. So we'll leave it at that. Yes, Jamaica. Reggae. Up. restroom down the way, right? The restroom. Thank you. Where's the restroom there, big man? Love it. Where? Thank you. Hello? Hello? Oh. Yeah, yeah. Oh. So I'm here. What's up? I didn't hear you. Oh, no, I'm still here. They, I went over to the car. There was a flat tire. So some guys were passing. I paid them $3,000. 3 of them. They changed it pretty quickly. So that was good. Spoke to my mother.